In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the outline in 3ds Max, and in this kitchen interior, the designer told me that the gaps between the surfaces, this black gap, is too wide, even though the initial dimension is correct. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to isolate it, and then I'm going to select all the white surfaces. I'm going to select ID, and now let's zoom into one of them, and then I'm going to the outline command here, and I'm going to play with it until it reaches a certain amount which I find pleasing and fits his request. So if I go into the camera view, and I'm going to unhide everything, and now the gaps are much narrower and look better. That's all.